What's going on, guys? If you're new, welcome to Push the Prod, and if you're not, welcome back. Today, I'm doing a little day in the life video of a cybersecurity engineer. It's a lot of things to do today, a lot on my schedule, so I'm just gonna take y'all with me. We'll see how it goes. I had to make a quick cup of coffee because I don't think I'd be able to talk to y'all without it. So there's a couple things that I have to get done today work-wise. I have a couple meetings. Shouldn't be too bad. There's gonna be a lot of changes going on today that I'm gonna need to be a part of. And I have things to do outside of work as well. And I'll try to film as much as I can. So without further ado, let's get started. What's going on, guys? So I do have some new projects that's been put on my planning board that I'm gonna look through and just, plan on, the steps I'm gonna take to tackle them, what resources I'm gonna need, who I'm gonna reach out to for specific things. So that's what I'm doing right now. Look through my emails. I do have some requests and some tickets that I gotta take care of. That shouldn't take too long. But my main focus today is coming up with a timeline on these projects, what I need, and how long they're gonna take to complete. I do have a meeting in a little bit to speak more on that, just so I can get a better understanding of things that I may not understand right away, or things that may not be clear. That meeting is gonna be important. I did package a couple of applications. I pushed them to a test machine that I have just to see if it works and to see if it would deploy successfully. Depending on the type of application, it could take a while. So I'll just have that running in the background. That's gonna be the majority of the plan today. So just a couple more minutes until my meeting, but I can't lie, this coffee has me wired right now. I don't know what it is about me, but I'm not a morning person at all. Every time I wake up, I'm tired, no matter what time I went to sleep, no matter what time I wake up. I'm just a little groggy in the mornings. That's just, how I am. But every time I have coffee, I'm actually tripping right now. I got so much energy. So after this meeting, I'm probably gonna go outside and take a walk. It's like one of my favorite things to do is go outside. If it's nice out, I'm definitely gonna take a walk. What's up, guys? So my meeting got pushed back for some time. So I got a little bit of time to rap with y'all. I don't know if it's just me, it's probably a couple people out there, but sometimes I be having a hard time, staying focused and staying motivated. I'll have music playing, but some days it's just harder than others to stay focused and committed to the grind. But, you gotta do it. Like right now, my meeting got pushed back, and that would give me more opportunity to get the tasks that I need to get done. But I don't know, I feel kind of stuck. I know what I have to get done. It's just pushing myself to do it. And I don't want to wait to the last second and procrastinate, because it's a lot easier to break up the work and bites if you have that time. But if you wait till the last minute and you got to cram everything in, does that put the quality of work at risk? I don't know. I'll figure it out. I was watching videos and I saw this one influencer. He works like 25 to 30 minutes straight, and then he'll take like a 5-minute break. Or he'll work for an hour straight, and then have an alarm set and then take like a 15 to 20-minute break. I think that's a good idea. When you have a break, when you have a scheduled break to look forward to, it tends to keep you focused. And I've done that a couple times and it has worked. So I just have to keep that in my brain. But yeah, I'm gonna try that today. Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? I just got out of that meeting. It did run kind of long, but it was very helpful. There were a couple tasks that I was unsure of, like I was saying before. I completely had everything explained to me, so I know exactly what to do from this point on. Sometimes whenever I receive these big project or tasks and there are some things I'm unsure of, I don't know, it's like I kind of put them in the back burner and just work on other things, but that's not really a good way to go about it. So instead of, procrastinating on the project because I was a little confused at some parts, now I'm able to knock it out. And I need to start doing that a lot more because I tend to just try to stick it out and figure it out on my own until the last possible second, and then I reach out for help. And at that point, the deadline would be that day or the next day. But I kind of took a different approach and asked for help ahead of time. So I'm able to give myself some cushion and enough time to complete it. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't be afraid to reach out if you have some uncertainties on things, because it will help you in the long run. So now I have a little bit of time before I have to start on some other things. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I'm starving. I just made some pasta. Later on, I'm gonna be meeting up with the guys so we can film an episode of the podcast, which should be cool, should be fun. But before that, I wanna go and buy a bulb for my brake light. I had my car serviced about like a couple of days ago, and they informed me that one of my brake lights were out, so I can't be driving in these streets at night and risk getting pulled over. Like I said, I'm starving, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this food, and I'll see you guys on the next clip. So, let's close this. It is hot. It's crazy hot. I'm about to go to AutoZone or whatever's close by to get this brake light bulb. Shouldn't take me too long. Yeah, that's what we're doing now. It is 87 degrees in my car right now, but it'll be cold tonight. Like, it doesn't make any sense, but I'll probably see y'all when I get back. What's going on, guys? I'm back at the house now. I just came back from getting my brake light bulb replaced, and I just got a couple things that I needed for the crib. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit before I head over and meet up with the guys. When I get back, I'm gonna see if I can complete this project that I've been working on. I just received an approval, so I can, get past the testing phase. I'm gonna see if I can get it knocked out today. If not, it's not gonna be the end of the world. I still have the rest of the week to complete it, so I'm not really tripping. After I get to a good stopping point with that, I'll probably start winding down, and that'll pretty much be the end of my day. I was thinking about working out, but I had a pretty busy schedule today, so I'll probably just save it for tomorrow and work a little extra hard to make up for it. I'm gonna see if I can film a little behind the scenes for y'all while I'm there. I'm just gonna decide how I'm feeling, but I'll see y'all in the next clip. Got me buying these donuts, man, it's crazy.
You need some help? This man filmed me.
I almost spilled this drink. It would have been bad.
Yeah,
So this is my studio, y'all. I'm letting the guys run it out.
a decent work on it, so you hear that all that movement.
I don't be doing that when it's recording. Yeah.
You hear that movement?
Yeah. Dang.
That means you gotta hold it like this.
Cause while we drunk and talking, we gonna get, man, I'll tell y'all, both. Last night, went to the club.
We need people. Everybody said they could barely hear us. All this is the input. Someone he believed Cap could do everything, bro.
What's up, y'all? I'm back, and like I said before, I'm gonna log on for a little bit longer because I did get that approval to move past that testing phase on one of my projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get a little bit farther in that, possibly get it knocked out tonight. That was a little bit of my day. I tried to capture as much as I could. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that. If there's anything more that you guys would like to see from me, just go ahead and drop that in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. People coming in and out my life, they come and go. If you do it once, you do it twice.